Hi, I'm going to show you how to populate the growth template if you're pulling your data from Power BI. Please make sure that you do have the growth template open. One thing to check for, if when you open this there is a yellow bar at the top, you're going to want to click the button that says Enable Content before you get started. Okay, let's go in and find Power BI first. So from your Launchpad in the search bar, you're going to type in the word Power, and it should pop up for you, Power BI. You're then going to find the tile that says Performance Accountability, and then the tile that says NEISD Local Assessment Data. Okay, from here you are going to choose the tab at the bottom that says Growth by Unit. Next thing you want to look for, and you're going to have to use the right arrow and click it a couple of times. You have the option of choosing Interim. That's the one that your students would have taken in the Cambium site. Or you can choose the button that says Spring Summative. That's the one that your students would have taken in Aware. So it doesn't matter which one you choose. Both of these are going to be populated into the template the exact same way. The other thing you need to decide on is, are you going to be pulling math or RLA data? So you can just toggle between the two. So I'm going to pull the Spring Summative for RLA. Okay, now to download this data from this table, it's very tricky. You have to click within this table somewhere, and then while you're hovering, find the three dots where it says More Options, and you're going to want to export the data. And then press Export in this dialog box, and then open up that download. Okay, so once you have your download open, you're going to select the cell, the first cell that has student data in it. So I'm not selecting these headers where it says campus or grade or teacher. I'm going to select the first cell that has student data in it. So it will be a campus name. I'm then going to hold down the Control and Shift key. I will press the down arrow key, and then I will press the right arrow key. And that's going to help you highlight all of your data very quickly. You're then going to press Control C to copy the data. I'm going to go into my template, and in this second cell right here, and then just make sure I'm pasting RLA data, so I'm on the RLA student list. I'm going to right click in here, and I have to paste values. Okay, that is how you populate the template using Power BI.